Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Monday, May 25th, 2026 at 13:45, and today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at for today. I hope you guys are having a great Memorial Day so far. Let's go ahead and look at tomorrow's outlook. Tomorrow we have a slight risk that encompasses western to southern Texas. We have a marginal risk that encompasses southern to western Texas, as well as extreme southeastern New Mexico. We also have a marginal risk up here for parts of eastern Minnesota into extreme northwestern Iowa and northeastern Iowa and southern to central Wisconsin. We also have a marginal over here for parts of western to central Montana, eastern Idaho, and parts of northwestern Wyoming. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. We have Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, Del Rio, and Big Spring under the slight, and San Antonio, Austin, Minneapolis, Corpus Christi, and St. Paul having the 5%. So let's go ahead, marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 5% tornado threat encompassing parts of southern Texas, and we do have a 2%, that encompasses southern to western Texas and southeastern New Mexico. So let's see who we have. We have Del Rio and Eagle Pass under the 5%, and San Antonio, Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, and San Marcos under the 2%. So for the 5%, we could see an EF1 tornado possible tomorrow, and 2% we could see an EF0 tornado possible tomorrow, so please be mindful of that. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% for parts of western to southern Texas, and we have a 5% that encompasses southern Texas to western Texas and southeastern New Mexico. We also have a 5% over here that encompasses eastern Minnesota, parts of northeastern Iowa, and southern to central Minnesota. We have another 5% over here that encompasses western to central Montana, eastern Idaho, so we do have those areas under a 5%. So we have Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, Del Rio, and Big Spring under the 15%, and San Antonio, Austin, Minneapolis, Corpus Christi, and St. Paul under the 5%. So we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible from the 15%, and 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible. So please be mindful of that tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses western to southern Texas. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses western Texas and extreme southeastern New Mexico, and we have a 5% normal that encompasses western Texas and southeastern New Mexico. We also have a 5% over here that encompasses eastern Minnesota, northeastern Iowa, and parts of central to southern Wisconsin. We also have a 5% over here that encompasses western to central Montana, eastern Idaho, and northwestern Wyoming. So we have Laredo, Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, and Del Rio under the significant severe. Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, Del Rio, and Big Spring under the 15%, and Minneapolis, St. Paul, Lubbock, Laredo, and Abilene under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible. For the 5% hatched, we could see 1 to 2.5 inch diameter hail possible. And for the 5% normal, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that. Going into the summary for tomorrow, it says scattered severe storms will be possible across west and southwest Texas into south central Texas Tuesday afternoon and night, including potential for large hail, damaging wind, and a couple of tornadoes. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. There's tomorrow's Day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Even though you may be in a marginal risk tomorrow, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your Memorial Day. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I will go over this outlook again tomorrow morning when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.